Kana! Five, lima, and back. So, how are you going to show this one? Remember, how are you na? Three.
Shear diagram or sa maximum shear natin, kung pwedeng maipasok lahat, ipasok mo. Una yung class, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so paano ito siya i-solve? So it's going to be summation of moment about A is equivalent to 0, positive clockwise. So what we have 17 times 6 plus 30 times 3 minus 10 By is equivalent to 0. So 420 plus 90, 510. So By will probably be 51 kilonewton. Tama ba o hindi? O ba?
Ano 3 at 30?
30. So this is 6 meter, 3 meter. Are you with me? Are you with me? So ano yung resulta dito? That is 150. Diba? 150 talaga. Ano yung moment? So moment at 50 is equivalent to 70 times 6 plus 30 times 9. Kailangan ng mga ng people. 690? No? Tama ba? O, ulit. 690 kilonewton meter. So, and is equivalent to the resultant of x bar. This is 690 is equivalent to 150 x bar. What's the value of my x bar? Kila? So that is 4.6. Sakto din 4.6?
Yes, sir.
Meter from 50. So, with that situation naman na equal, okay lang pa, ayaw ko QC.